Buying your first home is an exciting and important milestone in your life. It's a big financial decision and a long-term commitment, so it's important to take the time to research and understand what you're getting into. Here are some considerations to make when buying your first home. Budget. Before you start looking at homes, it's important to set a budget. You'll want to consider how much you can afford for a down payment, monthly mortgage payments, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. You don't want to be house poor and struggle to make ends meet. Location. Location is everything when it comes to real estate. You'll want to consider the location of your new home in terms of your work commute, schools, public transportation, amenities, and crime rates. It's also important to research the neighborhood to make sure it's a good fit for you. Type of home. There are different types of homes to choose from, such as single-family homes, townhouses, and condos. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so you'll want to consider your lifestyle, budget, and preferences when making your decision. Size and layout. The size and layout of your new home is important. You'll want to consider the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you need, as well as the amount of living space. If you plan on growing your family or working from home, you may need more space than you currently think you do. Condition of the home. When buying a home, you'll want to consider the condition of the home. It's important to have a home inspection done to identify any issues with the property. You'll also want to consider the age of the home and the cost of maintenance and repairs. Financing. There are different financing options available when buying a home, such as a conventional loan, FHA loan, or VA loan. You'll want to research and compare the different options to find the one that works best for you. It's also important to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start looking at homes. Homeowners Association. If you're buying a condo or a home in a planned community, you may be part of a homeowners association (HOA). It's important to review the HOA rules and regulations, as well as the fees associated with membership. Resale value. Even if you plan on staying in your new home for a long time, it's important to consider the resale value. You don't want to buy a home that will be difficult to sell in the future. Real estate agent. A good real estate agent can be a valuable asset when buying a home. They can help you find the right home, negotiate the price, and guide you through the home buying process. It's important to find an agent that you trust and feel comfortable working with. Emotions. Buying a home can be an emotional process. It's important to make sure that you're making decisions based on logic and not just emotions. You don't want to make a hasty decision that you'll regret later. In conclusion, buying your first home is a big decision and a long-term commitment. It's important to take the time to research and understand what you're getting into. By considering these factors, you'll be better equipped to find the right home for you and your family.